Okay, adding some laundry catches today. Got some laundry doors. They don't have the catches. And there's kind of quite a few of these different types of these catches. What it's got is 3 different screws. And it's got the clasp. And we're just going to line it up like that. Set it in and then set the clasp. Okay. And what we want to do is put the screw about in the center. And that'll give some adjustment because you see the hole for the screw is on a slide. And so we want to be able to adjust it. If need be. Alright. And it might have been a good idea to mark it, but I think I got it marked there. Might not be a bad idea to pre-drill it either, but it should be alright. There we go. Okay, I want to see how this, that's perfect, see? Not actually hitting that, it's hitting the bottom of the door, and that gives us enough room to adjust it over or do what we need to do. So here goes the second screw. And the same, I'm giving it a little bit of room to adjust either way. And mostly probably to be able to go forward if need be, because it's probably not going to go backwards any. There we go. Okay. Now the clasp. And that's about the trickiest part, is the clasp. Getting this to line up. But what we can do is, so I know that I need to go about the same distance higher. So should be good right there. I can see my little marks, so that's good. These screws, not the easiest to work with. But now that I've got it started, what I can do is use the clasp itself as a holder. So here we go. There we go. And test it out. Oh boy, it's way off. Goodness gracious, how did I do that? Good thing is we can see the height is about right. But I need to go over like all the way. I don't know how I did that. Wow. That's crazy. It's gotta be all the way over here. Oh gosh. Well, yeah, not my favorite task. I was going to preface the video with saying I haven't found about the best way to do these yet, to be honest. But we'll survive. Looks like right there. Oh gosh. Okay, with this I'm going to mark the center with a pen. Do it that way. So see how it works out. Again, can use this deal. Beautiful. All right, that's all we can hope for there. Done deal. Okay, so ready for the other side. Same deal. This time I'll probably just mark where these are going to go. See if I can improve on my approach here. So we want to kind of balance it to make it look nice this way. Make that somewhat equal, balanced out. Looks like it's good right there. And what I'll do is use my pen. Oh. That should work out. A little close there. Go. So I'm using my impact driver, which has no clutch on it, so that's why I'm squeezing it very carefully, because you just don't want to over tighten it and strip the screw out. Go ahead and take my clip here. There we go. It's not interfering with the door. That's good. And it's got a little room. You can see where it would poke out. So that's all right there. Gives us some wiggle room to work with here. And I left enough room for, as I was kind of explaining, this can slide forward a little bit. So we can make it seat a little tighter up against the door. Okay, now let's see if we can get this part lined up and mark it. Here we go. Whoop. All right. Looks good there. Okay, maybe this time I'll get it just right. Let's see here. So I'm going to use this to hold it a little. There we go. Yeah, and now we have clasps. Beautiful. And a little caulking or spackling on that one, and we'll be all set. Nice and easy. Not perfect, but it'll work. Nice. Done deal.